Do you like vegetables? Are you in a hurry? Man, if you're into vegetables, you're going to love this. Microwave steamer for vegetables. All your prayers have been answered. You thought your microwave was meant to be used for cooking up old beat up bits of pizza from the night before? Then you're wrong. This is the future. Microwaving your vegetables using steam. So this is the Easycook microwave steamer as seen on TV. Other brands are available. It's a healthy and fast way to cook your food. Oh yes. A steam powered microwave. Can you believe it? A microwave that uses steam to cook your vegetables. Oh yes, we're not using no hobs anymore. We're in the future. We're using a microwave. So throw that old dirty pizza from yesterday away and cook some real food. Some nice, nutritious vegetables. This device will retain all the vitamins and minerals from conventional steaming. Oh, you heard right. This two-tier cooking system cooks your food evenly. This two-tier cooking system can cook 2 tiers of vegetables at a time. That's one more than one. So this is a healthy and fast way to cook food. It's ideal for a small kitchen as it packs down into a small box. Very convenient, very fast, super healthy, nutritious, delicious. I don't know how I can hype up vegetables anymore. You'll be able to cook all your vegetables in 8 minutes or under. I guarantee you. Unless your microwave's rubbish. Or maybe you don't like vegetables. Maybe you want to put a piece of fish in there. Maybe you want to put some shellfish in there. Up to you. This microwave steamer is to make your life easier by completely avoiding your hobs and using the microwave, and hopefully cut down some cooking times while still retaining the vitamins and minerals from your conventional cooking. It's ideal for people who have got busy lives and maybe just want to avoid using the hobs and want to cook something in the microwave and keep it healthy. So I had a little look online. The cooking times can vary depending on the power of the microwave, but it can vary from anything from your softer vegetables from about 3 minutes to your harder vegetables like your carrots or potatoes to about 8 minutes. So with this steamer we're going to be steaming some mixed vegetables and some broccoli, and I'll probably cook it there for about 8 minutes and we'll see how that turns out. Hopefully it won't need any longer. So let's take a look inside and see what it's made of. Okay, so we've got 4 parts. This is the base, I'm assuming, where your water goes. You have your first tier. Maybe this is the first tier. First tier, put your vegetables in. And then tier 2, where you put some more vegetables, or maybe you want to put some fish or some shellfish. And the top, where it seals in the steam. And we have a little vent here to release any excess steam so that the whole thing doesn't explode in the microwave. So I've just been in the kitchen and I filled it up with some frozen vegetables. Take the top off. Right at the top we've got some mixed vegetables there, which have your carrots, peas and green beans. And just below it some pieces of broccoli. And then right at the bottom we have the tray, which is full of water, which is going to be used for steaming the vegetables. Make sure not to fill up too high or you'll end up submerging the vegetables at the bottom of this tray, which I've already done. Okay, so let's pop this in the microwave and see what happens. So welcome back. It's been 8 minutes in the microwave, so we're going to pop it open and see if it's fully cooked and edible. I'm going to take the top off. There's plenty steam's come off that. We're going to try the top layer. Feels cooked. Let's try the carrot and the pea. It's still got some good crunch to it as well. Not overcooked. That's pretty spot on. I'm impressed with that. And let's try the broccoli, which is there. Let's try one of the stems. I'll try the stems, probably the hardest bit. The fork's gone through it quite well. You know, I'd be happy with that if they served me that in a restaurant. You know me, I'm not a fussy person. Overall, very impressed with this. This is the future of cooking vegetables. I'm telling you. People, microwave your veg. Don't use a hob. It's probably better for the environment anyway, using the electric, not burning all that gas. Save the planet. Microwave your veg. So this is your one-stop shop for steaming your vegetables, fish or shellfish at a rapid rate with very little mess, very little cleaning, while maintaining all the nutritional value of conventional steaming. So what more could you ask for? I give this product a thumbs up. I will be using it again, and thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.